Welcome to this video of the affiliate marketing course. In this course, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make your first $2,000 online. We have learned everything about how to select the best products, how to do email marketing, create sales funnels, how to drive traffic. So it is time to put everything together. I want to warn you, okay? Because yes, I'm gonna help you create a system in which you can make money with passive income, but at the beginning you need to put the work. Okay, at the beginning you need to put the time, so this is gonna make happen. Then this is gonna be passive income. I mean, you're gonna be making money 24/7. But remember, you need to put the work. This is not some type of magical things that you do not need to do anything. Okay, in a previous video, I explained you how you can build a sales funnel with Builderall. Now I'm going to explain you how you can maximize your results with the sales funnels. Okay, by the way, I'm still using Builderall. They do have a really powerful tool that it's called the Canvas. If you want to check it out and you want to do exactly what I'm doing, you will need to go to Builders. Then you need to go here where it says Canvas. So at the beginning it's gonna be blank, but don't worry, you can have several options about some funnels that are converting pretty well. This is one that I built from scratch. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna be sending traffic to my landing page, as I showed you before how to create a squeeze page, right? Or you can use a lead magnet funnel so you can give them something for free. Then I'm gonna drive them to a sales page. Okay, but this is going to be my sales page, me showing them a video, right, with the information that they can grab, or I promise on my opt-in page, explaining them like, hey, welcome to this part, thank you for joining. On the link below there's going to be this ebook, and then I'm going to have another button that is going to ask them, or gonna let them know like, hey, if you're interested about this, right, if you're interested about this, let's say that I'm in the weight loss industry, and I promise them like, hey, you know what, I'm gonna give you a series of 3 videos in which I'm gonna show you the best exercise in which you can actually burn that fat really fast. Then I'm gonna do an upsell. I'm gonna let them know like, hey, if you enjoy this, there is this DVDs, or this membership area in which you can join, right? You can try for 7 days for free, or you can give it a trial for $1, $7. I don't know what the price is. I'm just making it out, right? And I'm doing my first upsell, so I'm giving them something for free, and now I'm offering something that they can pay, right? If they decide to take the offer, I can provide them, or I can offer them something else, like, hey, now that you're part of the membership area, right, do you want to be in touch with a nutritionist that he or she is gonna guide you via Skype, with the best diet for you, or you can have your own virtual personal trainer that he or she is gonna let you know what's gonna be the best routine for you, so you can get the most of the information here on the membership site. As you can see, I'm selling them more things. I'm working with what is called a value ladder. At the beginning, the very first product is gonna be for free, but remember that the very first transaction, they are paying me with their information, with their name and email. Then I'm offering them a product. It can be something like $7 or maybe $20, something between $1 and $20. Then I'm gonna offer them another product. It can be less than $50. Then I can offer them another product. Maybe that product is gonna be $167, $300. And as you can see, they are still in this buying process. Okay, they're still in that buying process. So you can do something like this. It's really easy to do it with Builderall. Let me show you. Okay, as I told you, I'm using The build your own canvas tool is really nice. Okay, what I can do is just I'm gonna click on a funnel. I'm gonna put it here like tutorial, and my description is gonna be tutorial as well. Then I'm gonna put it here next. Okay, I can start with a new blank, with a new one, or I can use these templates here. I'm gonna start with a new blank, with a new one, because I'm gonna show you that is really simple. So the only thing that I need to put is here on the plus sign, and here I have some pages. Let's say that I'm gonna start with the opt-in. Right, I'm gonna start with an opt-in page. Right, then I click here on plus. Then I'm gonna have a, I don't know, a product launch series. Then I'm gonna have here a plus. Then I'm gonna go, I'm just making it up, you know. I'm just gonna go with the upsell. Right, this is my funnel. And how do I edit it? Okay, I'm gonna click here. Then I can choose the theme here. I have several options, and I can click here, for example. Right, so I can start editing this page. So it is really simple to create your own system, but my suggestion is, like, if you're just getting started, you can go with a done for you system. Okay, you can go with a done for you system. There are plenty of those out there, but my recommendation is that you should select one that has recurring commissions. Remember, some videos ago I let you know that this is the systems that I like to make money consistently. Membership based, it can be a software, it can be any kind of membership product, because I can grow and scale my business. So I suggest you to go with that. And also I suggest you with products or offers in which they can offer something extra, high-end ticket commissions. Or you can have a system, you know, that maybe these products are for separate companies, but they do offer at the very beginning a recurring commission product, and they're offering you another product that is related to that product. You're on the same niche. It's problem the next, let's go with the next logical thing. Remember that these products are solving problems, and it's a high-end ticket commission. Okay, don't go with a system that is just promoting one product, because we need to have multiple streams of incomes if you really want to make $2,000 or more online. Okay, do not put all your eggs on the same basket, because if that company just shut down, they decide to change their affiliate policies, they decide to shut down the affiliate program, right? You know, they just change the rules. Hey, you're gonna have a problem. Okay, and you don't know, like, maybe there is someone who decides, hey, to join your system, the one that you create, or the one that or someone else created but you're using, and they do have, let's say, product A, but they don't have product B and C, so they can join under you. Okay, they can join under you. You need to understand that you're an entrepreneur, and as an entrepreneur you are going to have several stream of incomes. Okay, you are not an employee anymore, or you are trying to quit your job, right? So right now, because you are an employee, you only have one source of income, that's your job, right? So you need to have the right mindset and understand that this is going to change. Okay, this is going to change. Well, this is it for this training. This is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have some questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer them.